It's starting to get chilly outside, so I think it's time to maybe start talking about doing a little holiday decorating. Nothing intense. I am just going to show you how to make this really easy Thanksgiving and to Christmas wreath. So let's check it out.
You can make this wreath super inexpensively. I just grabbed a wire wreath form from the dollar store and some faux bittersweet vine that I already had on hand. However, you could definitely forage some bittersweet vine in the woods. It's very plentiful if you live in New England, but the faux stuff is readily available and you only need a few vines for this particular wreath. So just wrap that bittersweet vine around your wreath form. You don't have to be too precious about it. And just secure it with some floral wire here and there to make sure that it's a, supported structure. When tides came, did not flee. Next, you'll want to grab some dried orange slices. I have a video that teaches you how to do this if you're not quite sure. I'll put the card up in the top right here. Feelings, staring at the sea and what was left of me. Using short lengths of wire, attach these orange slices to the wreath that you've got going. Grab some evergreen sprigs. They can be faux or they can be real, and just tuck them into any sort of empty gaps in the wreath, and you can secure that with some wire if necessary, although I didn't really find that I needed to because at this point there's so many elements in the wreath that everything kind of held together. Aside from a desperate need for a paint job, doesn't the front door look glorious now?